Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Subaru Forester. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, heated seats, lane departure warning, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.